Bambo the Beaver builds a lodge. Bambo is a beaver. Beavers have a very impressive set of front teeth.
My teeth are very useful.
Bambo uses his big teeth to gnaw at branches. With all the wood he collects, he can build lodges in the lake where he lives. Meet his mom, dad, little brother, and little sister. Bambo likes to think he is chief lodge builder, after his dad, of course.
This old lodge is getting too small and leaky. Time to move upstream,
Bambo's dad says. Beavers like to build their lodge at night. They build and build for hours. Finally, they've slowed the flow of water so it collects like a pond. They work hard all night and build the Beaver Lodge. That's why we call them busy beavers.